Hello students, your subject Management Accounting, Unit number 1, Introduction to Management Accounting. Already I have given some explanation from this unit. Some more topics left. After this chapter will be over. Okay. So today I will discuss about cost management, cost control, cost reduction, and few points about the difference between cost accounting and management accounting. Okay, so let's start. The first we will discuss about cost management. See, one definition here given. First we will read this definition. Cost management. Okay, definition. Cost management is a method of reducing operating or production expenses in order to provide less expensive products or services to consumers. In other words, it's the process management uses to analyze its production and streamline, that is what, its operation to keep cost low and manage expenses in future. So what does it mean, cost management? Cost management is the main focus of managerial accounting that helps a firm forecast future expenditures in an effort to reach their budgeting goals. This process is typically divided into three main phases. First, planning. Second, implementation. And final analysis. In the planning phase, expected costs are projected and approved. The implementation phase monitors and records the cost making sure that they keep in line with the budget. Okay, after the project is finished, actual and budget cost are compared and variances are investigated in the final analysis. If the company did not meet their budgeted numbers, the management might consider switching productions, materials, change plant processes or product design in an effort to lower cost. Students, the basic concept about cost management is to gather information about current operations, analyze it and evaluate the results. So this is the concept of cost management. Okay. Second, we'll discuss about cost control and cost reduction. This is already you have done in cost accounting also, right? So, cost control and cost reduction. What is meant by cost control and cost reduction? See the definition. First, we'll read the definition. Cost control. The Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, London, defines cost control as the regulation by executive action of the cost of operating an undertaking, particularly where such action is guided by cost accounting. The terms regulation and executive action indicate conscious attempt of regulating the cost on the basis of predetermined ideas about what cost should be. I think you understood the cost control. Student, most of the enterprises is want to maximize the profits, which is possible by decreasing the production cost, right? So for this purpose, management uses two efficient tools, that is cost control and cost reduction. The cost control is a technique which makes available the necessary information to the management that actual costs are to bring into line with the budgeted cost or not. Cost control is a process in which we focus on controlling the total cost through competitive analysis. The cost control involves a change of various activities, which starts with the preparation of the budget in relation to what? Production. Thereafter, we evaluate the actual performance. After that, we compute the variances between the actual cost and the budgeted cost. And further, we find out the reasons for the same. And finally, we implement the necessary actions for correcting discrepancies. So this is about cost control. Next is cost reduction. What is the definition here given? Try to read. Cost reduction. The Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, London, defines cost reduction is to be understood as the achievement of real and permanent reduction in the unit cost of goods manufactured or services rendered without impairing their suitability for the use intended or diminution in the quality of the product. What does it mean? This is the definition given according to Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, right? So what does it mean? Cost reduction. So see, student, cost reduction is also a technique, is also a method, tools which we used to save the unit cost of the product without compromising its quality. That means what? Cost reduction is a process which aims to lower the unit cost of a product manufactured or service rendered without affecting its quality. The cost reduction aims at cutting off the unnecessary expenses which occur during the cost reduction, or you can say during the production process, storage, selling and distribution of the product. So to production process, or you can say to identify cost reduction, we should focus on some major elements, that is saving in per unit production cost, then the quality of the product should not be affected, and savings should be non-volatile in nature. Got it? So this is about cost reduction. Here I have given explanation about the cost management, cost control, and cost reduction. Got it? One more point left, that is, you already know, that is the difference between cost accounting and management accounting. Okay, you already know this difference, cost accounting and management accounting, but I'll still try to make you clear some by giving some points. Okay, so try to understand the difference between cost accounting and management accounting. See, cost accounting, you know that cost accounting is the branch of accounting, right? There are different branches of accounting. First is financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, right? So cost accounting is that branch of accounting which aims at generating information to control its operation with a view to a maximization maximize profits and efficiency of the company. That is why it is also termed as control accounting. Which one? Cost accounting. Okay. Then management accounting is the type of accounting which assists management in planning and decision making, and thus known as decision accounting. Which one? Management accounting. Okay. I'll give you some points about the difference between cost accounting and management accounting. See student, in cost accounting revolves around cost calculation, cost control, and cost reduction. Just I've given explanation, right? Whereas management accounting helps management make effective decisions about the business. Okay. Then second point, if I say, cost accounting prevents a business from incurring cost beyond budget, whereas management accounting offers a big picture of how management should plan for the future. Then if I say third point, the cost accounting scope is much narrow, whereas management accounting scope is much broader. Okay. Then if I say fourth point, students, about the difference between cost accounting and management accounting. So in cost accounting, historic information is basis of decision making. Okay. But in management accounting, historic and predictive information are basis of decision making. Okay. Then next, if I say cost accounting used for management, shareholders and vendors. Okay. But management accounting is only used for management. Okay. Then if I say one more point, I will say, that is, in cost accounting, only cost accounting principles are used. Okay. But in management accounting, what is that? The principles of cost accounting and financial accounting are used in management accounting. Got it? So these are the differences between the cost accounting and management accounting. Got it? So today I have given the explanation about the cost management, right? Cost management, then cost control, cost reduction, and the last point, that is difference between cost accounting and management accounting. And here the unit number 1 completed. Got it? So I hope you understood. Okay. So thank you for today.